Hello? Hello? Yeah, well, yes.
Hold on the line for us, ma.
No worries.
Sure.
Sure.
Going in 60 seconds.
Sure.
I cannot miss the comedy show at Community Center by Old Before this Friday, 5 7 p.m.
Yes.
Is that a ticket below 10 rand? Imagine. I do the comedy in Bombela. For the first time is 10 rand. Have your ticket pay second ticket like or normal web ticket. Go to their website if you are tech savvy. But otherwise, keep money up when you get muntu, we pick and pay. 10 rand.
Kuphela.
No. 10 rand the ticket. Now, 10 rand. It's not a Thenjiwe on the line talking to us about how they want to use comedy to teach us about how we can handle our money better. Yeah.
Yes.
Courtesy of Old Mutual.
Yes.
And, Thenjiwe, how easy is it to talk about finances and comedy? As we all know, financial talk isn't the easiest topic generally.
In comedy, it's very easy because we get away with a lot. We are your mouth.
Okay.
We are the ones who can say the things that you guys are scared to say. Because number one, thina singasho noma yini ngesixosho umuntu emsebenzini. And
That's why I'm thinking I need to fuse my radio with comedy so that I never get any business like yourself.
yeah, well, and the beautiful thing about such a collaboration between comedians and Old Mutual is just it also proves that comedy is not a joke. If you go to good comedy shows and listen, gone are the times when comedy was just about racial slurs and when a comedy was just about people talking about things that were so unrealistic. Kwakhona inkawu yahamba yayezulwini yayongqongqoza yafika uJesu, you know, all those jokes. Manje we're talking about a comedy eyakha isizwe, a comedy that's moving us forward as a nation. So abazofika kusasa bazobona ukuthi comedy is not a joke, and they bazohamba bephethe umphako that is going to change and enrich impilo zabo.
And as much as we're going to be laughing, there's so much to be learned, and
Yes.
I believe that's the opportunity that Old Mutual is giving us tomorrow. So we're going to be wrapping up our conversation with Thenjiwe on the other side of 4. You're still on Rise of Fame, and we're talking on the money, funny money with Old Mutual.
Pumaland is right there. Alright, we're coming back to you 10 past 13 past, ma.
Okay, sure, no problem. Thank you.
Sharp.
I have the best job in the world. I'm working from home. Guys, please don't question me about my glasses. The future is too bright, guys. When the future is too bright, we have to make sure ukuthi sishaya ama-dark so ama-dark noma ama-dark zwat. Ama-dark zwat. Shaya ama-dimas. And then we eat while we wait to finish working. Can you imagine makuthi nomsakazo? Mama sekhaya kumele sizame ukuthi siyothengela abantwana lapha izingubo zaKhisimusi ngoba ngibonile esitolo esilapha ku West Street bezehlisiwe amanani yaphansi kakhulu. Let me show you guys our lunch on the go. Fish and sauce from last night. That's it. Yes, hello? Yeah, boy, yes.
We're going in 50 seconds, man.
Yes.
Sure. Right. That's away on Rise of Fame. We're still talking money and comedy with Old Mutual. We're chatting to Miss Thenjiwe, one of our international national exports. She's a national key point. ukuthi sisenza amaphutha ngazo. The only challenge is now we all make these money mistakes, but we never talk about them.
No, we don't.
So when comedians are able to talk about them on stage, we laugh at ourselves, but how big are you?
Yeah, we know people about it, so it's easy to digest. So the Old Mutual stand-up comedy sessions are a fun way for people to confront tough money conversations in a light-hearted manner. Now, Thenjiwe, as we wrap up our conversation, where can people buy the tickets and for how much?
Yes, amathikiti ashibhe kanjani? 10 rand kuphela. 10 rand. It's less than $1. Less than $1. 10 rand nje qha kuphela. Ayatholakala khona eMnyango, ayatholakala naka I think it's CompuTickets.
No, it's
Pick and Pay. Yes, web ticket. Yes. So nje 10 rand ngeke ukhale ngokuthi awunamali, and into emnandi ngale show ukuthi yabo nje basiyenza manje bonke abantu bane-stress zabo, siyazi ukuthi abantu enihlekisana nabo abanihlekisi, so siyeza thina sizonihlekisa, so nje kuzoba mnandi. And masiqeda uzobona wonke umuntu uzobe eqonda khona e-Old Mutual eyokhuluma indaba zama-investments, because we are not educated about it. Even ey'koleni basifundisa ukudweba iqhwaga, basifundisa about investment. They teach us how to draw a frog. When have you ever used that? Kusizakala ama-slay queen, at least from drawing a frog, they can now draw amashiya. That's why amashiya abo vele ngathi umsila weqoqo.
Okay, have you started your set? You're a natural. We definitely see you tomorrow. How do we find you on social media? Somebody maybe that says we shouldn't always think everybody knows who you are.
Yes.
Somebody's getting introduced today.
All social media platforms, Thenjiwe Comedy. Go YouTube, I put a new video every day. There's a new video, Thenjiwe Comedy. Comedy with a sim, comedy wesingisi ungaboni ngoba uThenjiwe kuyisiZulu bese ufaka ucomedy KHO.
Oh wow. Thank you so much for the conversation and enlightenment. We'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you so much, guys. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Ciao, bye.
On the street, in the car. Thanks a lot, boss. See you tomorrow.
Thank you. Uyabona nangomso. Ciao, bye.
Bye.
That's it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm done. My work here is done. I can go and have the rest of my day. I don't know why I wanted to look cool for radio. I put on my glasses. It's a radio interview, but I had to just because I can look cool. Look cool for the radio, Tay. Okay. Bye. Hi guys, please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button so that you do not miss another video.